need not go into issues. For example, what Modi is doing in USA, his discussion with the Trump obsolete modular nuclear weapons are being dumped into India. Everything you know, details. These modular nuclear plants. That is what is called energy. Statement is a energy transaction discussion. That is the title. So many these in the budget, you know, threatened by Modi. I mean Trump. Modi budget, you know, Commodore Karki mentioned about the budget. So in that budget, you know what happened? 30% American products imported into India, 7.5%, all the tariff rates of US products have been reduced to 7.5% tariff in the budget. And foreign direct investment, you know, international capital, American, US insurance companies were given 100%, opened up the Indian market. All these are there in the budget. So these things I am not going into details. But comrades, YA said about the lackey, that character of Indian regime, especially today ruling. Who is ruling? RSS is ruling. We will not say that it is BJP. BJP is only a political tool of RSS. Mohan Bhagwat himself said, we can use any political tool. We are capable to use any political tool. Kejriwal failed. He was bargaining with Hanuman. But in the Ram Rajya card, he failed. This Hanuman plank will not compete with the Ram Rajya card. So Kejriwal failed. He was complaining to Mohan Bhagwat. This BJP is not following RSS principles properly. I am following like that. That was Kejriwal. Okay, this is not a stage for questioning Kejriwal. But this is the situation. So RSS is capable to use any political party in India as its tool. That they have said. I am not saying that all political parties, but they are saying we are capable to use any political party. And that RSS, what is the character of RSS, you know? During the Vietnam War, we are usually saying these things. During the Vietnam War, the world over, even anti-communist, Bertrand Russell is not a communist. Even Bertrand Russell, like liberal people, were going against US imperialism. Russell's speech, radio speech is there to American soldiers, troops, American soldiers. There is a famous speech of Bertrand Russell, radio speech, appealing to the American soldiers to go away from Vietnam. Don't enter into a war suppressing the Vietnamese people. Such was the world situation. At that situation, Golwalkar, in the 60s, the leader of the RSS sent a letter to American president. You know what in the letter he said? America is the leader of the free world. Today, Dharma and Adharma is entering into a struggle, into a war. And America is on the side of Dharma. So RSS is always with America. You can examine whether this is correct or not. This is history, this is documented. That is RSS. So that RSS is now leading the Indian regime today. So you can imagine this, what is the extent of this decay, the extent of this neo-colonial dependency that is there on the part of the Indian regime. Still, Indian bourgeoisie, big bourgeoisie is capable to participate as junior partners of imperialism because of internationalization of capital. That is what happened today. So nothing is constant, everything is changing. You cannot say that before Second World War or 50 years this was a situation, therefore situation will not change. Everything is changing. So that is the Marxist approach. That otherwise we will be in a what is called we will be in a straight jacket. We cannot understand the concrete situation today, and even for analyzing neo-fascism also this problem will come.